Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Wednesday market webcast. Okay, so we talked yesterday in the morning, we talked in the midday about how we've seen these dips in the tape. And after every dip, you see this low-level grind. And right here, you've got the beginnings of some low-level grind. Yesterday was an incredibly small range. The range of the entire Globex session was was 92, 76. I don't know, it's too early in the morning for math, but about 15 handles. So it's slowing down, and that's fine. It needs to take a breath after, a really nice move down and a really nice move up. Today's Globex is a little over 10 handles, so we'll see. And everything is gravitating on either side of the hourly midband. And what that's producing is this massive consolidation. Absolutely massive consolidation. Look at these Bollinger Bands. I'll zoom this out. We haven't seen anything like this in a while. Like, we complained about the low level whatever. I mean, look, the thing was moving. So every once in a while, this tape is just going to die on you. This is not a 1 minute chart. This is a 1 hour chart. So then I would say, look, what did we talk about yesterday? We talked about don't overtrade a tape that doesn't want to be traded. And if you just can't help yourself, then do yourself a favor and take the day off. And come back when the thing, wants to move or is in a better frame of mind, and more importantly, when you are in a better frame of mind. So one of the things that I coach as far as trader psychology, trader mentality, is how to cope with tapes that don't want to be traded. How to have the self-awareness to figure out this is a tape that doesn't work for me, and to have the self-discipline to say, you know what, I'm not going to do it. And we provide techniques, and it's like, honestly, it's like, you got to take the keg away. I mean, you have to have some self-control. Otherwise, you will overtrade and overtrade and overtrade in this tape. And then by the time it's ready to be tradable, by the time it's ready to move, your brain is jello. And you've taken a bunch of paper cuts that have put your account in a position that it's not necessary for it to be in, because you're trading because you're bored. So I did that training in the private Facebook group last week, and it talked about a whole series of 5 things to manage any trade. And the first thing we talked about was knowing your why. Why are you trading? Is there a setup? Is it support? Is it resistance? Why? Some of the things that are not good answers to why: boredom. Why are you trading? I'm bored. Why are you trading? I'm revenge trading. Tapes like this are breeding grounds for trading because you're bored and revenge trading. Trying to get it all back with one swing. All the bad whys when it comes to why are you trading, all that stuff comes to the surface in this type of tape. And that's one of the things that I coach my students to try to avoid. Not just in the chat room, but private clients as well. So this thing will move when it's ready to move. Until then, you can be opportunistic. We tried to short it a little bit last night because it had spent a lot of time below the hourly midband. We got a free look at it. It headed down a little bit, but then, it stopped out, comes back into 82 to 84, and we're just back, trading on either side of it. Right now, we're trading 85. Everything is concentrated on 44.83. VWAP, proprietary moving average, 5-minute mid, hourly mid. Yesterday's OPG was opening print, 9:30 in the morning, was 82.75. So we have gone absolutely nowhere. Absolutely nowhere. And it's really underscored by this chart. All right. Everybody have a fantastic day. Be safe, be healthy, take care. Trade them well. Come check us out. Join the Facebook group. Come check out the room. Come trade with us. Or if you need some help trader psychology wise, reach out to me, and we do that too. So I will be out with a midday update, and I'll talk to you guys then. Don't overtrade this tape. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princetontrader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade 'em well.